Hello, hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Craft with Miriam. Today I'm going to make a wonderful project by using this charming teacup that I got from thrift store. So I'm going to be taking this thrift store item that I have previously purchased and I'm going to give it an extreme makeover. With this teacup, I added some cording flowers inside or paper flowers by using these different colors of paper, cut them in stripes to make small flowers. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button below to stay tuned from upcoming DIY video from me. Fortunately, I lost the first steps of the video, how I make these flowers, but I'm gonna make one next to you. And I have the rest of the video, how I made this. And I add this moss and this pine cones. Also, I'm gonna see, I use this. So I use this little base filler inside my teapot. I use this pearl lace that I got from thrift store. It's amazing. Slice. This one is around 1 centimeter and it's 30 centimeter long. Other one I'm gonna make it tiny, a little bit. It's almost half centimeter. Same longer. First you need to cut the pointy of the toothpick, so to use it for the to make the flowers like this, and then bring knife kitchen. So you can also use cutter paper. Make a cut, only what you need. Then put this paper inside and roll it. All around. So with the glue paper, and glue, and I make the center of the flower. Like this. And it here, other one with small scissors. I'm gonna cut, make lines like this. I leave space on the bottom, all long stripe, cut lines, make stripes, lines. So, look what I have. All around now, I'm gonna put glue in the center of this flower. and roll it. I'll make the glue all around this paper, this red paper, and roll it like this all around. Same time, I put glue in the bottom and roll it until I'm done. So glue again. Okay, almost done. Okay. Call it toothpick. I have this one now. From the flower. watching. You see this teacup? So this teacup is beautiful. I added beautiful flowers or paper flowers inside with other items to decorate my corner table for spring. So if you like my video, please leave me a big thumbs up with more comments. Thank you for watching and see you very soon.